All right, let's talk about international shopping. Today, we are going to figure out how to get your hands on all those awesome products from Poland that you probably thought were totally out of reach. So, how do we tear down that pesky shipping wall? Let's dive in.
You know the feeling, right? We have all been there. You spent hours online, you finally find the perfect thing, and then you get to the checkout page only to see that message, "Sorry, we don't ship to your location." It is just the most frustrating dead end for an online shopper.
And you know, this is a massive problem if you're trying to shop from Poland. A lot of the sellers on huge marketplaces like Allegro.pl, which is basically Poland's version of Amazon or eBay, they just don't ship internationally. So you can see all these amazing products, all these great local deals, but you can't actually get them. It's like you're looking through a shop window, but the door's locked.
So let's get into it. What exactly is this international shipping wall made of? What are the real barriers that are keeping you from all that great stuff in Poland?
Okay, so what's really going on here? Well, it's a few things. First off, a ton of sellers on sites like Allegro just flat out don't offer international shipping, period. Then, some stores might not even accept your credit card if it isn't from a Polish bank. And hey, even if you manage to get past all that, the direct shipping costs can be absolutely insane. In the end, it all just means you're missing out on unique products and great local prices.
But what if I told you there's a key for that locked door? Well, there is, and it's called parcel forwarding. And honestly, it's a pretty simple and elegant solution that just knocks that shipping wall right down.
So how does this actually work? It's way simpler than it sounds. A parcel forwarder is basically your friend in Poland. When you sign up, you get a real physical Polish shipping address. You shop online, use that address for delivery, and then the service receives your package and forwards it to your actual home address, no matter where you are in the world.
Yeah, the best way to think about it is like having your own personal mailbox in Poland. It's not some crazy, complex logistics thing. It's just a local drop-off point. To any Polish online store, you now look just like a local shopper. And just like that, their entire inventory is suddenly open to you.
All right, so that all sounds great, but what does it look like in practice? It's a really straightforward process. Let's walk through the 4 basic steps to get your stuff from a Polish warehouse right to your front door.
The whole thing really just boils down to these 4 steps. You sign up and get your address, you do your shopping, you manage your package online, and then you have it sent right to your home. It's designed to take all the headache out of international shipping. So let's break each one down.
Okay, step 1. As soon as you sign up, boom, you get a genuine Polish address. It'll look something just like this, with your name, a street, a city, and a postal code. And here's a quick pro tip. Ul is just short for ulica, which is the Polish word for street. This is the exact address you're going to copy and paste at checkout.
Step 2, this is the fun part. You go shopping. Go browse Allegro or Reserved or any other Polish store you've been wanting to buy from. When you're ready to pay, you just pop in your new Polish address as the delivery spot. As far as the seller is concerned, it's just a normal domestic order. Simple as that.
Then, the forwarding company shoots you an email as soon as your package arrives at their warehouse. And from there, you are in complete control. You'll log into your account, you can see your package, and you decide what to do next. Ship it right away, wait for other things to arrive. You pick the courier, the speed, and then they send it on its final journey to you.
But listen, using a parcel forwarder is about more than just getting access. It's really about shopping smarter internationally. And believe it or not, saving a bunch of money while you're at it. This is where these services get really powerful.
And this right here is the #1 pro move, package consolidation. Let's say you buy a book from one store, some clothes from another, and maybe some cosmetics from the third. Instead of paying for 3 separate, expensive international shipments, the service can take all those items and repack them into one single, efficient box.
So how much does that actually save you? Well, the savings can be huge. We're talking up to 60% off what you would have paid to ship those items separately. I mean, think about that. That can often make the whole thing cheaper than if the stores had offered direct shipping to begin with.
And the cool features don't stop there. Most of these services give you free storage, sometimes for up to 90 days, so you can shop the sales and wait for everything to arrive before you ship. Some even have a personal shopper service that buys the items for you if your credit card gets rejected. It's really a full toolkit for international shopping.
And this just gives you a real-world idea of the costs. Now, these are just examples, but look at this. Shipping a pretty big package to France for around 10 euros and getting it in just a couple of days, that is incredibly cheap and fast. It proves this isn't just about getting access, it's also super affordable.
So, after all that, what does this actually mean for you, the person who just wants to buy cool stuff? It means the gates to a whole new world of shopping have just been thrown wide open.
And we're not just talking about shipping to a few nearby places. These services have massive global networks. A lot of them can deliver to more than 150 different countries all around the world. So you can get things from Poland delivered pretty much anywhere you can think of.
So that international shipping wall we talked about in the beginning? Yeah, you can consider that thing demolished. A parcel forwarder is literally the key that gives you direct access to an entire market of Polish exclusives, cool brands, and local deals that were completely locked away before.
So I'll just leave you with this last thought. We've seen how one single virtual address can totally transform your ability to shop from one country, like Poland. Now just imagine having a network of these addresses, one in Japan, one in Brazil, one in Australia. What could that mean for the future of online shopping and for you as a truly global shopper? Thanks for watching The Explainer.